How do I file an insurance claim for home restoration?
The best way to file an insurance claim for any kind of home restoration is number one, know who your insurance is. I know that sounds silly, but be aware of who you are insured with. It's always a plus to even know personally who your agent or your broker is. Try to have their contact information in your phone. That way you can ask questions. But if you do have an emergency or questions about an emergency, you can always contact them directly and then kind of point you in the right direction. If you don't have a local agent or a broker, use the 24/7 hotline. Know who your insurance is, look up their phone number, call them. Most insurance companies are going to have a 24/7 hotline, and those people can always get you pointed in the right direction on helping file the claim and getting the process started. And if you've already hired a company, they can kind of help provide any details they may need from the company and provide you with a claim number so you can kind of get that whole process started to get your property restored.
Are home restoration services covered by homeowners insurance?
Home restoration services are typically covered by homeowners insurance. Situations like water damage from like a burst pipe or toilet overflow or kids playing in the bath and they get a little bit too crazy and cause some water damage. Yes, those are typically covered under most homeowners insurance policies. I do recommend always being aware of what's in your policy so you kind of know and make sure you have coverage for some of those accidents. Standard policies usually require separate flood insurance if it was from like a storm or flood damage. But when it comes down to really any kind of home restoration services, that will be covered on your homeowner's insurance for fire and smoke damage, wind or hail damage, even mold caused by a covered water loss. If it's mold that's been there because of an active water issue going on for months or years, usually mold is not in that policy. Anything considering that's poor maintenance or negligence or mold or water damage that develops slowly over time, if it's like a slow leak. So that's why it's important to just get on it quick and fast. If you start noticing any water damage, and talk with your insurance and they'll get you taken care of and pointed in the right direction. But overall, understand your policy, understand what you're covered for so you can kind of protect where you live, your family, make sure you're taken care of.